What's up guys, it's me again, here to show you how to make a gourmet lunch for one. First, crack open the fridge. Take stock of what you got. Nice. Grab the DiGiorno pizza from the other day. Go ahead and grab a plate. Put the pizza on the plate. Get the pumpkin plate if you have one. Go ahead and throw it in the microwave. Slightly offset for the perfect spin. It's a tip for cooking your Dale DiGiorno just right. Make sure to see if your microwave has the garlic shrimp setting. Use that if you have it. After you've got that queued up, let it ride. It should cook for about 6 minutes. Just stand there and watch it. After that's done, go ahead and pull it out. It should be approaching molten hot. After that, dab a little grease. Even when properly aged, a DiGiorno is about 75% grease. All that's left is to add a side. I like to go with Cool Ranch Doritos. Finally, finish off with a can of Coke Zero. And then you're all done. Just enjoy your handiwork. That's good. That's really good. Anyway, make sure to hit that bell, like and subscribe. You know, it takes a lot of work. I put a lot of work and thought into these videos, and everyone's support, you mean the world to me. Yeah. Thanks to my wife, my rock.